Hi students, the fourth numerical problem. A closely wound coil of radius 0.02 meter is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. When the magnetic field is changed from 8000 Tesla to 2000 Tesla in 6 seconds, an EMF of 44 volt is induced. Calculate the number of turns in the coil. So since the radius is given, the shape of the coil should be circular. So we can see that this is a circular coil. The plane of the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field, so that the normal to the plane of the coil makes angle 0 degree with the field. Therefore, here theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay. And cos theta is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay. I will write the given quantities. Now the radius of the coil is 0.02 meter. 0.02 meter also can be written as what? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So the area of the coil A is equal to pi r square. So what is the area of the circle is? Pi r square. So I can substitute pi equal to 22 by 7 into this is 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So the area is now equal to 22 by 7 into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Okay. So keep it separately. Then you can see that the magnetic field changes from 8000 Tesla to 2000 Tesla. So the change is 8000 minus 2000. This is represented as change in magnetic field dB. So dB is equal to 8000 minus 2000. This is equal to 6000 Tesla. And this happens in a time dt is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. Then the induced EMF magnitude is given as 44 volt. And what is the number of turns is asked here. So as usual, the induced EMF is equal to d by dt of n a b cos theta. So here I substitute cos 0, because cos 0 already we have calculated. So we have to substitute here is equal to 1. So here this is equal to n is constant, okay, n is constant, area is constant, only this dB by dt, that is magnetic field, is changing. So I am going to substitute the known values. From that I can find the value of the n. So I am rewriting here. So the induced EMF is given as 44 volt, left hand side. So 44 volt is equal to number of turns into area is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 4. So this is 22 into 4 divided by 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, 10 power minus 4 I have substituted into dB by dt. So dB is 6000. So this 6000 can be written as into 6 into 10 to the power of 3. 6000 is written as 6 into 10 power 3 divided by 6. So this is 6 seconds. Now I can cancel these two factors. 6 and 6 get cancelled. I want the value of n. So all other terms can be shifted to the other side. Okay. So n is equal to, or else I will first write 44 into 7 is equal to n into 22 into 4 is what? 22 into 4 is 88 into 10 power minus 4. This is 10 power plus 3. So into 10 power minus 1. I can write like this. Okay. Therefore n is equal to, n is now equal to 44 into 7 divided by 88. Okay. This 88 into 10 power minus 1. So this is 44 twos are how much? 88. Then 10 power minus 1 is shifted to the numerator. So it becomes 7 into 10 is 70. 70 by 2 is equal to what? 35. Therefore, the number of turns is equal to 35. N is equal to 35 number of turns. So this is the answer which is required for this question. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.